In this video, we'll show you how to set up your rocket for a TARC launch. First is the bottom tube. You want to get your motor and fit it in your bottom tube. Make sure to screw on the cap after you place the motor in the inner tube. Next, prepare the eggs by placing them in the egg holders and secure them by surrounding it in tape. Next, put a small amount of dog barf and wadding on top of the motor to protect the rocket. Then, roll up your folded parachute and place it neatly in the bottom tube. Do the same for the shock cord afterwards. And that's all for the bottom tube. Now for the top tube. Tape a ribbon on the bottommost egg protector for easier access when retrieving them. Gently get the eggs inside of the top tube. Place the altimeter and the altimeter holder, if applicable, into the top tube. Attach the nose cone and secure it with tape, and you're done. Thanks for watching from Team Void.